Hi, my name is Rehan, and Dia is seeing me again. So let's start our project. Today we're making a social distancing project. Like COVID, they have to keep distance of one person to another. So let's start. For these materials, we need a windboard, two wheels that I've got on right here, and then one of these. Right. Some of the GST wires, one of these mountains, and this ultrasonic sensor. So you need Velcro or tape to stick the ultrasonic sensor on. And if you have the correct size of bolt and nut to fit the ultrasonic sensor, you can do that as well. And so after we Like I've got my chassis, this Velcro, and Velcro here. They're both a different brand, kind. So, like one they stick on another, and then that's done. My first bit of the video, like the first bit of the step. Next, I get a GST wire, a GST 4 pins wire, like this orange, red, brown, and black. One side goes here, connect it in, like I've connected here, and the other side, can you see those pins at the back here? And there's GST holes in here. The pins go connect to the hole, so it's Velcro, so it can come off. So then we put the pins in the holes and stick the Velcro bit back on. And I've told you this before. We need two wheels and stick them on the motors. And then you have to connect these on as well. So let's start with our coding bit today. So you have to go when Arduino. You have to connect your windboard on first. Then you go when Arduino begins. Then you have to go to here and get car control and car control. So then you connect both car controls and yeah. So then next you have to connect these that I've already told you. Car control driver and ultrasonic sensor. Then you go to the car control and get initialized pin 33, 34, 35, and 36. And then you get a forever loop. Then you get the set distance to blocker, and then we put the ultrasonic sensor. This goes to ultrasonic sensor and get the blocker and put it in the zero that I've done. 25 and 26 is the correct number. Next, we go to control and get a if then condition. Then we go to car control and get this block right here and put it in. Next, we go to operators and then get a this blocker and connect it in. Then we go to variables that I forgot to tell you. If you don't have the distance variable, you can type a distance in ANC, like distance. Your one will come up as this distance. And then you can continue. You get this distance block and put it in, and here you type 8 centimeters, and high low means going forward. Next, you go to if condition and get this if then block. Then you go to operators and then put and get the less than block in here. Then you go to distance and get the distance block in the first. Then you go to distance and get this block in the first box, and in the second box you type 4. Then you go to car control and get this distance 1 and put low, high, low, high. That means going back. And then for your last control position, you get a last if then block. Then you go to operators and get this AND block and put it in. Then in the AND block, in the first block, you put this in, and the second block, you put this in, like I've done here. But in both of the first ones, you put distance here and distance here. Then you put a 4 here and 8 here. And I forgot to tell you, lower one in first and higher one in second. Then you get the set car control, and then and set direction. You put it in. Set direction RM1, low, 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 low means stop. I hope you like this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe.